Siyempre, malungkot dahil wala siya.
Para kay Richard Gutierrez, ang pelikulang Seduction ang pinaka-challenging and his most daring role to date. Sa pelikulang ito ng Regal Films ay nagpakita ng kanyang behind ang kapuso actor.
Actually, until the very last day, pinag-iisipan ko pa eh. Alam mo yun, kasi talagang hindi ko alam kung handa ako sa ganyan. Pero pinag-usapan na namin ni Direk Peke and I told him na, Direk, let's do it. You know, I'm ready for this.
Kasama ni Richard sa pelikula, sina Solen Yusuf at ang kanyang real-life girlfriend na si Sara Labati na ngayon ay nasa Switzerland.
Siyempre, namimiss ko siya kasi nga, you know, she's part of the movie and we're supposed to be promoting this together. She's with her family. They're spending quality time together. She's able to unwind and relax. So, as of now, she's good. She's doing good.
Umalis si Sara patungong Switzerland noong nakaraang Sabado sa kasagsagan ng kinakaharap nitong mga kontrobersya. Matatanda ang sinampahan ng magkahiwalay na demanda ng GMA Network at GMA Films President Attorney Annette Gozon Abrugar ang kasintahan ni Richard.
I support her fully, of course. Alam ko yung mga pinagdaanan niya. Siyempre, nasaktan din ako for her. Pero, ganoon talaga eh. Nasaktan ako dahil malapit sa puso ko si Sara. Malapit din sa puso ko ang Kapuso Network. So, I'm caught in between. Sana na naagapan, sana nagawa ng paraan, naging maayos. Pero even before this whole thing even exploded, they tried fixing it na eh. Sana lang mas naging maayos ang lahat. Pero hindi eh. So we have to live by that.
Sa pag-alis ni Sara, naging mahirap ba para sa kanilang dalawa ang magpaalam muna sa isa't isa?
You know, it was a whole week of process. You know, it's not just it wasn't just like saying bye. You know? Alam ko naman na makikita ko pa siya. I mean, soon. Marami namang ways of communication ngayon. So that helps. Technology helps a lot.
Sinubukan ba ni Richard na pigilan si Sara na umalis ng bansa?
Hindi. She really wants to spend time with her dad. And she wants to see also if she can go back to school. You know, try to delay it. Next week na or something. Pero we have to face reality.
Kasabay ng paglipat ni Sara patungong Switzerland ay ang pagkalat ng balitang nagdadalang tao di umano ito at marami daw ang nakakapansin sa pagtaba ni Sara.
Alam eh, bakit nila sinasabi yan eh. I think kasi nga kumalat yung ganyan, people became anal about it. Payat siya ngayon. I don't see a point why you know, it became a big deal. Parang may nagkalat na lang bigla ng issue na yan na all of a sudden, you know, people are asking me like that. Walang dapat pag-usapan nila. It's not true.
This coming January 21, Richard will turn 29. Malungkot ba ang kanyang birthday dahil wala dito si Sara?
She greeted me happy birthday already. And, you know, sana nga nandito siya sa birthday ko. Pero okay lang. Okay lang. I mean, syempre pag nagtiyaga ka ng ganyan, pag pinaghirapan yung relationship, it pays off. So, konting tiis lang. Syempre, malungkot dahil wala siya. Pero, you know, that's part of life. It's part of life. And, you know, it's part of experience. So, okay lang.